Kumasi Asante Kotoko dressing room, players no free one bus, no AC, accord dressing, Charlie Brandon near tight Brandon. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Africa's club of the 20th century, and easy. And Timeka say the head coach of the team, Coach Karim Zito Ewaha, and players Nimi Ewaha, communications director Enso Ewaha, Yebabidi and Komokesi. Pakwese de team no agent akono. Council, Akwaba net saying,
Obi Major Sumina, oh yeah,
Bibi Akwe,
Admaraka.
Danyamia say. This is here in Africa, Sisia.
Yes.
Oh. The other team, ne film.
The other team now call for the Champions League, you know, maybe any Go Stars.
Omo film.
Unfortunately, Omo film.
Oh.
Because was not representing Ghana in the Confederation Cup.
Wow. And the Ziaka Yamkwani.
Yamkwani is this year.
Wow.
Attention in our way.
Attention in our baby Janaya.
You should be on us. With that athletic club of Morocco.
Whack. I'm going to say Embrebino.
I'm going to say in 2002 in the Cup Winners' Cup. Then I found the Cup Winners' Cup.
Yes.
And I buy
Confederations
Cup.
Yes.
After I said I could lose 0-1. I Casablanca.
Yes.
And he had just 2 goals. We were able to score the 2 goals, but late in the game, don't pull one back.
Oh.
So they won the cup on the away goal rule.
You winning so you me and you.
But 2 years later, Kotoko eliminated one. Okay. In the maiden edition of Confederations Cup.
Yes, any hard score final.
Any more hard score final. Unfortunately, so no. As Sabah Kumasi.
Oh.
FA Cup no penalties. It work there. Omo ye yatam for football.
Omo di any papa. In the end no, after final no omo je no. Ye share omo say you omo free mo. Asa na any heart echo.
Yes.
In the revenge no was done then.
But the way a double revenge.
Wow, if you want team na ba be do kroma.
Omo be do kroma enra. I mean, I do the second leg no e basu Casablanca next week Friday.
Oh, sir. It was so sir.
Yes.
Hey.
Wow.
It is see at least first leg ne there. I will see a comfortable win.
And the coach never come was.
Coach become
it be a young consider go.
But for more management, no, there was some way be a my
the Bia say ye be a coach in the players better testify say. Nebum, I can see the massive support in
the stadium.
I didn't even know Africans now. Yeah. Well, the least I don't mind frustrated.
Yes.
I'm saying about
they were hard.
Yes. I cried only safe.
Yes.
But the person who say, I cried Okumasio, Ghana. It did not giant coach name and I'm saying, Yes. Now the what remember. Take his no be going around.
Yes.
To come.
Yes. And I think that's a good point. In this ABA Bibinti na wuntimi ma we a member of parliament utieme, especially the caucuses, no? Ashanti caucus, Greater Accra caucus, Western caucus, Volta caucus, national team, Northern caucus, Upper West, Upper East, all the caucuses, no say wuntimi ma mubetimi ato ticket nibi. Say we the amonya na monchema manfo e was stadium hotimi eyema oye MCE DCE utieme. This is a call to duty. We a minister of state CEO o the to tickets nibi kase monye na monche emfama supporters no na yemra but omonso omo apese to ticket eba no me say 50 cities, right? For popular stand?
For popular stand and the central line.
And the central line, okay.
And all the VIP area we need 200.
Hey, 200. VIP only na.
Lower.
Oh, send the for.
Last match 1,000 for the upper VIP.
For the upper VIP.
I only have Fele.
Oh.
The good thing is I want nothing about when we are willing to go to the stadium.
Yes.
This car.
Yes, Omuniska.
They say I hope so we talk about 100 near because I'm from Brazil. Yeah. And I got a flag so baby.
Oh, okay.
Because I have any place no open flags up on my car. It's not just I give some car.
Wow. Airport of flags.
Yes.
It's very difficult based on the past results, past occurrences between the two clubs.
No?
And now between North Africans and then
you're West Africa. No? Yeah.
You see, it seems to be almost yes, but in America, it is difficult.
But not impossible. So, World Club Championship, you're born and saying,
They have their way of playing. Okay. Seriously, they look more like a European team than we Africans.
Yes.
And Africa, we are more talented. In terms of France culture, yes. When we talk about talent, Ghana has the talent. The only thing the Europeans surpasses us is they live on organization.
Yeah, organization.
And we live in improvisation. Yeah. That is the only difference.
Yeah.
But I tell you, we have the talent here. So now, when you go to this Arab, they have the way, I don't want to say it here.
Oh, sure, of course.
And the way they attack and the way they defend. So if you're able to see this and then close it, when we're playing, the same thing happened to us. There are certain positions when you are able to close them, they can't play.
Oh,
because automatically they don't have a plan B.
Yeah.
Their plan B is set pieces. So when they try, you see that when they try, they don't get to that, they'll be pretending to be falling down to get the best set pieces to their advantage.
It's true. It's true. And I believe, sir, bounce to come and frustrate us.
Exactly.
Scoring opportunities.
Anything, any normal form, they want to draw the attention of just for the referee. These are all if they study all these things and then we are ready for them.
But as a team, no, you were the skill set are you bit me face you in terms of your players are you one.
You bit me face though the first time there's always the first day for every woman is in life.
Sure.
And when you capitalize it, then it becomes yours. So I'm telling you, this is a bigger advantage for
players
now. Wow, so the only thing they needed is the support.
From the supporters.
They should come and then shout, and then we tell them, look, they shouldn't go home dejected. They should go home very happy. When it comes to the North Africans, CA, Club Africans.
Yes.
When it comes to West Africa, Minister de Malia, Michel Ogruma,
okay.
So when you look at my campaign in Africa, say, oh, combined result is not bad.
Yes, it's not bad. It's true. It's true. I mean, doing what you did with even Dreams FC, you know, just Ain't me bacho kotoko supporters are mood me. Now, your friend is saying popular stand near 50 Ghana cedis. And yeah, the center line in our account 50 Ghana cedis. Ain't 1,000 cedis better and no tickets saying. A better 20. Okay, and the better 20 tickets. Oh, now the Ama supporters. Better 20 tickets. Now the Ama supporters. Not just say what I say. Nipano Eba Stadium or Kama. Na BBA to me Ekoye. And me patcho say who tell me 334714. Registered name here Dominic Kisiaboa, producer of the show. Dominic Kisiaboa. It is 0544 334714. 0544 334714. Ode kakraba say obi monye monfan to tickets na yem farmer supporters no intimi enko stadium. It we any a project me patcho reference no eye kotoko. Number ni bio 0544 334714. 0544 334714. Send the baby bra more bridge more Ghana say obi ode monye your pese stadium why ma when you 500 cities when you 1,000 when you 200 cities when you we Dani in Ghana and you are not Ghanaian. You are Ghanaian. From which part of Ghana?
I'm from the northern region.
The northern region. I want you to speak in your local language and call on the fans there to come. Yeah, tell which language do you speak?
I'll speak Dagbani.
Dagbani. Good.
I was born and raised in Tamale.
In Tamale. Yeah, but you can speak Dagbani.
Yeah.
So speak Dagbani for me. Call on the supporters to come.
الصهر دبون زها إذا بلا لور هلاري دبون يروما تكو الصهر دبون زها دبون بامبا ne متجنا تتبصونسي ne على هردتي يمي بيتول لشيء انت تمن وداد نمي يمي دمي انت هكذا تكون كوبل لمبلا Lady Ghana Zabwell because Ghana Zana Katin Zane. In Belma, Muka maybe Ghana Premier League Katin Kotokoma has a Kotokoman team shell dabam. It's a Ghana Zana Katin Zan Mila Buello. So if you come the Yankana, it's a Ghana V and Belakotoko Konkovi. So the Sora Dabonzaha, Eka the Bonko, Sore, Belamazaha, the Sora Soka. 10 northern regions Maza, the Soro Sokam. Campu Diarganazo, or Yimna the Tapsonte. I could talk Kanapak man about Tama, Kamali Yuko, then the two tickets, and the Soko Kana. Inta, Leason some Maza at the border. So some come in Checkas doing in Nasra Laradema at the border. So no commercial in Zante, Bonzam.
No, Charlie, we brutal. We brutal. A hard supporter was set it on the camera. And me also me to 20 tickets at their support. Ain't Obia OTA in Bia, we are Kotoko supporter, or a hard supporter. Please, you can send something through. Say Obi we dia monye na monfanto tickets ni bi emfa enka ho. Momo number no 0544 334714 0544 334714. Registered name near Dominic Isiaboa or reference should be Kotoko. Reference no Kotoko. Na yenyina yentoto na yemfa emwa. In the amount phones when you je Dabanli na superstar player no kind mamenko entry. Oye deni wo Oh, you're Kwuni. But Obo Great Olympics, what you can cry. Who can cry? Come up. I will honor. I would have in the call on supporters. I won't cry in answer Omumra Stadium.
Imami May, Inchery, Inyami May, Ofane, Achomi Manu entry, the Intra Commerce Sante Kotoko. Where a game Sunday in Yaka Sports Stadium, the Massimo Nico Nina Fenyaba, Nyaba supportive. The Walayashi can be a Kenya Bawen, or Han in your association, or by winning.
Wow, fantastic. Emmanuel entry. No, Charlie. In kind, we're going to go back on Sunday. Right. Yeah, we should go back. We should go back. The Barley and should go back.
The way you were seeing the fans coming to the stadium, and even when we started the game, the first minutes we gave a pass to a teammate. The noise alone made the teammates push the ball to the throw side. So that's how important they are to us. Yes. So we are pleading with them. They should come. Yeah. This is their job. They are going to do the job for us, not ourselves. Yeah. So we are pleading with them to be at the stadium.
Fantastic. Entry.
Yeah.
Charlie. Final call to the supporters.
We best share supporters this entity. Omunya omumbra in their numbers support here. Yeah. You didn't say I can't do ombeba. So we so I just be I'm from the amona. I carry the day. Sure.
And I'm not paying me who video be on the official club page of Facebook. Former players no Eddie Steven Odro money Charlie Obi no they did a good job. It was a good job, Charlie. Hey, now, Kojo Poku Mahala, why fresh power?